In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the indicators on TradingView. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the top here of your chart and you want to click on indicators. Now, in here, it's going to open this window, which is the indicators, metrics, and strategies window. And in here, you can find your indicators. So you have favorites, you have your scripts, if you have any of your own, you have the purchased indicators, the technicals over here, which are built in, and the fundamentals as well, which are built in too. And then you have the community ones over here, which are editors picks, top, trending, and the ones in the store. Okay, of course you can purchase these if you want to, but you don't have to because there's a bunch of different ones. So you could just go up top and search for the one you want. For example, if I type in Bollinger over here, as you can see under technicals and then community, it's going to find me a bunch of different Bollinger bands I can use. And to add them, click on that specific indicator and it's gonna get added onto your chart here in the back instantly. Okay, of course you can look for whatever you want. For example, if I'm looking for EMAs like this, it's going to find those as well. Now, it's actually great because it's going to find like close terms as well. I look for an EMA and it actually found the moving average exponential as well, even though I didn't have to type everything in here, which is great. So that's how to find them, and then click on them and they're gonna get added onto your chart. Okay, now I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.